The Google Pixel 9a is the next stepping stone for mid-range Pixel devices and like every A-series smartphone. And now a new detail about it has been leaked. As per the leak, the Pixel 9a has got a 5000 mAh battery from Pixel 8a's 4492 mAh cell. We expect this to translate to an improved battery life, provided the phone gets other optimizations. We already see a CAD-based renders of the 9a have been outed for your viewing pleasure. And this is real-life images. The sides of the 9a appear to be made from aluminum like the Pixel 9 and feature the same matte finish. The alleged renders suggest a hole-punch display design for the phone. It appears to have flat edges as well. The SIM slot, USB-C port, and speaker all located on the bottom. Pixel 9a features a 6.1 inches 120Hz display. It is powered with a Tensor G4 processor, which provides top-class performance to the Google Pixel 9a. Equipped with an octa-core 3.1 GHz processor and paired with 8 GB of RAM, Pixel 9a featuring 50MP as the primary shooter, 13MP ultra-wide and a 32MP selfies camera. The Pixel 9a is expected to launch in the spring, and it will be available in 4 colors, including a new silver color option. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.